A startling warning from the White House has just pushed Greenland into the center of global power politics, turning a distant Arctic island into a potential flashpoint between the world's biggest power. You're watching Times X Beats Me, Dhriti Atri, and in a briefing that raised eyebrows across Europe, US officials made it crystal clear that Donald Trump now views Greenland not as a distant territory but as a critical strategic asset that cannot be left vulnerable. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt, she confirmed that acquiring Greenland remains a top priority for President Trump. There is no public deadline right now, there are no fixed roadmaps, but the intention, she said, is firm. According to the White House, waiting is no longer an option for them. The reasoning coming from Washington, it is blunt and it is deadly geopolitical. US officials argue that if America does not move to secure Greenland, other powers will. China and Russia, they are repeatedly mentioning their biggest concern here. China and Russia, they have repeatedly mentioned these two countries right now. The fear is very simple but very serious. If rivals gain influence or control in Greenland, it could really threaten not only the US but Europe as well. But you know why Greenland matters so much is the key to this story. The island sits at a very strategic crossroad in the Arctic. As ice melts, new sea routes are opening, military access is expanding, surveillance and missile defense capabilities in the region, they are becoming increasingly important. Now, from the US's point of view, Greenland is no longer a remote area, it is central. The White House is pushing back really hard against accusations of expansionism here. Officials insist that this is not about empire building or land grabbing. They say the goal is protection, stability, and long-term security. According to the US, their involvement would safeguard Greenland's future, protect its people, prevent volatile powers from gaining a foothold. In fact, they argue that this is about prevention and not conquering a land. Caroline Leavitt also issues a clear message to Europe here. She warned that ignoring the Arctic's strategic importance here would be a mistake. If rival powers move into Greenland, European security could be directly affected here, basically. In other words, Washington is framing this as a shared Western concern, not just an American ambition here. Well, the response outside the US, it has been very uneasy. European leaders are quietly questioning whether such moves respect sovereignty and international norms or not. Denmark, which governs Greenland, is watching closely here. Well, the idea that global powers could compete over Greenland, it has revived old fear of great power rivalry moving towards north. Supporters of Trump's position argue that the world has already changed. They say that China and Russia are expanding influence everywhere they can. Waiting, they argue that it would be strategic negligence. In this worldview, power must be secured before it is challenged. The bigger message from Washington is impossible to ignore here. Greenland is no longer seen as a neutral ground. The Arctic is no longer a quiet zone, and strategic patience is being replaced by strategic urgency now. This debate, it is no longer a theoretical argument. It is now being discussed openly from the White House podium. It involves allies, rivals, and the future power balance in the Arctic.